Guys, I was just looking at my entire list of movies that are supposed to be releasing in 2026, and I can happily say there are no Janhvi Kapoor films in that. And I hope they don't get announced. I hope they don't get announced, dude.
Bro, you know the fact that she is not even the worst Nepo kid.
Yeah,
in the
exactly.
industry.
She's right up there, dude, with the worst
No,
Nepo
she's
kids.
not, dude.
Yeah, she is, dude.
She's not.
She's okay. You guys tell us in the comments what do you think of Janhvi Kapoor, and is
She's
she
one of the
among the
better
worst?
ones.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
Bro, he's right.
What are you saying?
I'm with him.
That's
He's one-
bizarre that you guys think this.
She's one of the better ones, dude.
Not at all.
Easily.
Not by a mile and a half.
आपने
Dude.
नादानियाँ देखी है?
All right. Welcome to Popcorn Edition. My name is Antrish Thakkar, joined by
Snail Aneja.
and
Abbas Momin.
today we are talking about the things that we're looking forward to in 2026. The
By the way,
movies
happy
and
New Year,
projects.
guys. It's our first
Happy-
episode
yes, of the year.
2026. And we're in the same clothes as we were in
3
2025.
weeks back, 2 weeks back.
Or if we don't tell people, maybe they don't notice, dude. So I think we should
Oh,
just
yeah.
So guys, some big projects lined up for 2026. Salma, all the three Khans have projects coming out.
Amir?
Yes, Ghajini 2.
Gajini 2 आ जाएगी.
I don't
I
know,
doubt
I didn't
Gajini
see.
2 आएगी, bro, 26
Yeah, even
में.
I doubt
But
it.
like Salman Shah Rukh are obviously going to be there. King
Yeah.
and Battle of Galwan.
Yes, King and Battle of Ganga.
After Sikandar, I think we desperately need
Something that Salman does which is
Yeah.
good. And we can
Yeah.
actually vouch for him for. Because the last couple of years has been quite difficult for him to do.
मतलब हम लोग ये एपिसोड ऑब्वियसली सो इट इज हम लोग पहले रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं ये एपिसोड आप देख रहे हो पहले हफ्ते के नए साल के लेकिन ये एपिसोड हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं बहुत पहले जबकि बैटल्स ऑफ गालवान का टीजर नहीं आया देयर आर हाई चांसेस
तब तक
कि
आ जाए।
हमारी रिकॉर्डिंग
Yeah.
से और इस रिलीज के बीच बैटल्स ऑफ
जाए
गालवान का
teaser,
टीजर आ
हाँ।
जाएगा बिकॉज इट इज सस्पेक्टेड इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू ड्रॉप ऑन द 20
I suspect it shall show.
on Salman's birthday on the 27th of December.
I didn't know
Oh,
it was
is it?
December, baby.
And how does that change
It doesn't
things?
change
Yeah.
anything.
What does you knowing or not
But
knowing of us?
I was under the impression, I mean, that people who are born in December are like smart.
I agree. My wife is born in December and she is the smartest person.
Oh, उसका birthday कब आता है?
26th, one day before
Oh.
Salman.
yes.
And one day after Jesus.
Yeah.
One after Jesus.
Nice,
Salman.
nice. So she is
Jesus
obviously
and-
after Christ.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. Also born on 25th
25th December, you're right, you're right.
Good governance day.
Have you guys watched the Atal, the
No,
film?
No, I'd rather not dare.
I've traveled from Atal Setu.
Oh.
That
Yeah,
even I have.
that makes up for it.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
It's the
of
same.
course.
One and the same, dude. Yeah.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee's father is being played by Piyush Mishra.
Oh, is it?
In the movie, yeah.
Okay. Good.
Oh, dude, like every episode, I bring up AI somehow, and Snail manages to bring up Piyush Mishra
for some reason.
some way or the other. Nice, dude. Like I hate Janhvi Kapoor. He loves Piyush Mishra.
पीयूष भाई आ जाओ यार हम सिगरेट भी पीने दे देंगे
Bro,
आपको
भाई आई थिंक जिस दिन पीयूष भाई आ जाएंगे ना एपिसोड पे इतना बैंगर एपिसोड होगा ना वो बिकॉज आई थिंक जितने अनहिंज्ड वो इंसान है डूड इट्स क्रेजी इट्स एब्सोल्युटली
Piyush Mishra ji, please, we would absolutely love to have you on the show.
या
आपने मेरा एक रील भी लाइक किया है बहुत पहले
ब्रो
What real?
Bro,
What he's supposed to remember a real?
he's actually very active on social media. Huh?
Okay.
If you post a story, tag him and all, he actually sees those stories.
He likes it.
So back in the day, I think in 2019, मैंने एक थिएटर फेस्टिवल होस्ट किया था उसके अंदर पीयूष सर का भी एक इवेंट था वो मैंने होस्ट किया था
Okay.
एंड उससे पहले लाइक उस इवेंट से मिलने से पहले मतलब वो इवेंट स्टेज पे होने से जस्ट पहले मैं उनसे जब मिलने गया था तो मतलब भाई मैं लिटरली लाइक थोड़ा सा ऐसा यू नो ठीक है तो देन ही गोज लाइक कि
अरे तुम काम क्यों रहे हो?
नो ही लिटरली सेड कि लाइक द पर्सन हु लाइक मेड मी मीट हिम उन्होंने उनको बताया कि थोड़े से नर्वस हो रहे हैं और लाइक अरे नर्वस क्यों अरे नहीं दूंगा गाली
Nice, dude. Nice, dude. Nice. Nice, yeah. Oh, what an honor. You got called by Piyush Mishra, dude.
Piyush
Bro.
Mishra, yeah.
he's I think yeah very 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 fun guy to have a conversation with बहुत
Okay.
सही बहुत अच्छा इवेंट था वो
All right, ठीक है. But what do you expect him to do in 2026?
the music tour that he's been doing the Bali Maran tour
Okay, have you've seen it, no?
oh yeah
Oh, you talked about
multiple
it. Yeah,
I
you
think
talked
he's
about
gone
multiple times
Okay, cool. Chalo then.
movies
The biggest things coming on 2026. What are you looking forward to the most?
जिसके बारे जो अभी हमने टीजर देखा है आज ही रिलीज हुआ है इनफैक्ट
हाँ.
Border 2
Border 2.
Border 2.
Everyone
Border
looks
2.
great. You know what I mean?
No.
Yeah, dude, like the cast. You know the cast.
No, I'll tell you one thing though. मेरे को सनी पाजी का फुटेज देख के तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो पहली पिक्चर कहीं
Bro, he hasn't aged.
डिलीटेड फुटेज
Yeah,
लेके उन्होंने
absolutely,
फिर से
bro,
बना
but
दिया है.
Isn't that what
Yeah,
Border 2
yeah.
is supposed to be?
Yeah.
Like, कहाँ तक आवाज जानी चाहिए? लाहौर तक.
Nice.
भाई सनी पाजी at his best man. भाई the shot where वो milestone पे पाकिस्तान लिखा हुआ है and then he puts his stamp around, he's like standing like this and like, oh, Mathura Das.
That line could have been a line from Dhurandhar also.
Yes, I
कहाँ
think
तक आवाज जानी चाहिए?
that's another reason
लियारी
why-
तक.
why I
कराची
think
तक.
Border 2 will do better than expected business because
think-
right now Dhurandhar wave,
think-
nationalistic wave is
Yes, I
और
agree.
वो उस पे अभी रिपब्लिक डे भी रही है.
Correct.
yeah.
26 January, yeah, right here.
23rd I think को आ रही है 23rd or 24th को, so it's like that weekend.
That
हाँ,
weekend, okay,
Republic
fair,
Day
fair.
weekend.
Yeah, I think you might be right. Also, this has Sunny has just seen that happen, right? And a movie did not expect Gadar 2.
Gadar 2, dude,
and
yeah.
Jat also in that regard did quite well box office wise. So nobody expected it to.
Bro, जाट तो मैंने जब हॉल में देखी थी,
Correct.
मजा ही आ गया था भाई.
So exactly. So I think Border 2 could well follow
I
that.
think it'll do well.
Bro,
Yeah.
it will definitely do.
Dude, 100%.
सनी पाजी का जो भी वेव चल रहा है वो क्रेजी वेव है.
Correct. That and also Border is very fondly remembered by our
Yeah,
generation and after that also.
Plus
Before us.
the addition of Diljit, Varun Dhawan, Ahan Shetty.
Stroke of genius, man. I would say.
Yeah.
Like especially with Diljit and Varun for sure. Diljit especially more. And
Yeah, I mean, I
don't
won't
know.
keep Diljit and Varun on the same standing.
See, Diljit will obviously get you like a diverse
Also,
crowd.
Diljit को वो last year की controversy के बाद एक ऐसी nationalistic वाली picture चाहिए ना.
Last year
That-
क्या
that
controversy?
actress who he was in a movie with Pakistani actress which didn't get a release.
Oh,
I
so
think
yeah,
he needs
right.
he needs a देशभक्ति वाला.
But उसमें उसकी गलती ही नहीं थी यार.
गलती नहीं
उसकी
थी,
गलती
but
ही नहीं थी उसके
anyway,
अंदर.
so he needs a देशभक्त.
He actually at one of his concerts he said कि जब मैंने पिक्चर शूट हानिया अमर के साथ उसने पिक्चर शूट करी थी
Okay.
एंड he said कि जब मैंने मूवी शूट करी थी तब तो ऐसा कोई मतलब
कुछ नहीं
इशू
हुआ
हुआ
था.
ही नहीं था.
कोई
लेकिन इस इशू के बाद इंडिया क्रिकेट खेल सकता है उनके साथ. हाँ, पर हमारी पिक्चर नहीं रिलीज कर सकता. बट एनीवे, दिलजीत इज नोन टू like throw these little one-liners at his concerts.
But can I be honest?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. This may still be the early footage, but doesn't look very polished.
It looks
It
very
looks
CGI.
very CG, yes,
That is
yes,
true.
yeah.
Like when you compare it to the recent one that we watched, 120 Bahadur,
Yeah, that was a
very real. I think उन्होंने real locations पे जाके shoot भी
Yeah,
किया
yeah,
है.
okay.
तो ये थोड़ा extra CGI video gamey लग रहा है when it comes
I
to
get what you mean. That it does look like that. It looks a little too clean and polished.
Yeah.
You know, and you can tell that a lot of post processing has happened.
वो
I
original
hope
border
that's
देखो
what it is,
मतलब
Dude, yeah, gritty, very
Crazy,
to the off the soil.
मैं पूछ रहा था डू यू थिंक सुनील शेट्टी वाला जो कैरेक्टर का लेगेसी है फ्रॉम द ओजी बॉर्डर, आहान शेट्टी वहां तक पहुंच पाएगा?
So from what I remember, Sunil Shetty is the softie in the movie, right? Like he's just gotten married and he's the more romantic one.
वो बेचारे को सुहागरात से ही खींच के ले जाते हैं.
Also, he conceived, the child is conceived, na? Even in
Yeah.
Yeah.
so then he did his job.
Yeah,
Both the jobs. He
both
did
the
that
jobs.
job and served the nation also.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
I have what else has Ahan Shetty done?
Jet skiing.
Like is this his on-screen debut?
No. इससे पहले उसने करी है 2 पिक्चरें करी हैं. उसने 2 या 1 पिक्चर तो तारा सुतारे के साथ करी थी एक फिल्म.
याद भी नहीं है.
वो भी रियल लाइफ
Incident पे थी.
इंसिडेंट से इंस्पायर्ड थी.
Is
अच्छा.
it? Okay.
तारा सुतारे के साथ करी थी उसने
So
फिल्म.
anyway, Border 2 is one. Are you looking forward to it though? I think I'll definitely watch it in theaters.
मतलब हाँ,
but
I think
I don't
just-
think it's gonna be as good as the first one.
For the atmosphere, I feel.
Yeah, fair.
So his filmography says just one movie, Tadap.
Tadap, yes, you're right. Tadap is the one. I think तारा सुतारी है ना उसके अंदर.
हाँ जी.
तारा सुतारी, हाँ. Tadap उसने करी थी and now I think Ahan Shetty actually, you know, so in 2022 when I was going to watch the Qatar World Cup, I was at the airport and Ahan Shetty was also there sitting right next to me.
He had also gone to see the World
अब
Cup.
ये नहीं पता वो कहाँ जा रहा था, but like वो lounge नहीं, sorry, वो बाहर वाला एरिया नहीं होता, वहां पे बैठे हुए थे.
चाहे तो बोल सकता था लाउंज में चिल कर रहे थे, मतलब बाहर वाला एरिया नहीं होता.
अरे मैं ही नहीं था लाउंज में.
हाँ वही कह रहा हूँ, चाहे तो तू बोल सकता था.
हाँ, मैं बोल
कि हम
सकता
दोनों
था.
लाउंज में चिल कर रहे थे,
सकता
बट
था,
नहीं,
बोल
लाउंज के
सकता
बाहर जो सस्ती वाली कुर्सियां होती है ना, वहाँ बैठे थे हम
But
लोग.
by the way, T2 Lounge, have you guys been?
No,
I really like
we are
T2
not
Lounge.
rich, Anthony.
भाई अपने क्रेडिट कार्ड में कुछ तो एक तो होएगा ना.
क्रेडिट कार्ड ही नहीं है.
It's okay, man. I default on my payments quite a lot. It's okay. I understand. I don't
What
have.
is the special about that?
No, it's just like just decent food, man.
Oh, अच्छा.
Like
Ah,
you,
nice,
you get treated
nice.
as a human and not as an animal. There's the rest of the
Yeah, which
airport.
is very rare on airports
Airports,
nowadays. Yeah,
I
yeah.
swear, dude. Fuck, nice.
But Border 2, I don't know, man. I'm on the border about it.
Oh, nice.
So like you might not go to the theaters and
I
watch
might
it.
not go to the, क्योंकि टीजर में ना उन्होंने सिर्फ बम फोड़ते हुए दिखाया है यार, और भी कुछ तो और
What else did you expect?
yeah, but bro, the first thing in the first border वो संडे से आते हैं. It was like an emotional connect, bro.
Bro, गाने तो इसमें भी होंगे.
हाँ होंगे, but
You'll hear Diljit's version of संडे से आते हैं. You'll see,
That's
man.
true.
And अभी बैकग्राउंड में वो हिंदुस्तान का
Yeah.
म्यूजिक तो बज ही रहा है.
Correct, yeah. dude.
I don't know. I'll wait for the response.
एक तो पता नहीं तुम लोग पिक्चर एंजॉय क्यों नहीं, ऐसा ऐसा
अबे कितना मतलब
भाई तुम दोनों ऐसे हो.
I've told
It's
this
okay.
before also, but war movies I'm not the biggest fan of, so I don't
Fair,
know.
actually, I get that.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not the biggest
इस
fan.
पॉडकास्ट के लिए मैं गया था
But yeah.
120
120 गलवान देखने.
Nice.
which turned out to be a decent movie.
A decent
so,
watch, yes.
yeah.
See, Border 2 is for the vibes. Border 2
If
is
your
for the
vibe
vibes.
is over the top jingoism, then yes.
Bro, it's for Sunny Paji.
Sure, yeah.
It's for आवाज कहाँ तक जानी चाहिए, लाहौर तक. It's for that, bro.
हाँ.
Guys, enough Border 2 talk.
yeah, what
It's
else?
okay.
I'll tell
कितना
you,
बात करेंगे Border 2 के
bro,
बारे
it's
में?
those scenes ना, जब गदर 2 देखी आप सब दोनों ने.
Sure, I've seen most of it.
क्या करूँ मैं
भाई,
देख
it's
के
okay.
यार?
You don't have to see Border
Yeah,
2. It's
exactly.
fine.
So गदर 2 में there was this scene, ठीक है, मैं हॉल पे देख रहा हूँ. So he's running, Sunny Paji is running, and पीछे बहुत सारे लोग
हाँ,
भाग
पता
रहे
है,
हैं.
फिर वो हैंड पंप
And-
निकालते हैं तो
नहीं
वापस
नहीं निकालते. He just looks at that.
Yeah, and then he gets scared. Like,
And then everybody gets scared. Bro, it's those scenes. It's just those scenes that you go to a film
Anyway,
for. But
moving on.
yeah.
What else
Okay.
do we have?
dude, the number one thing I'm looking forward to right now is Dhurandhar 2, man.
Oh, Dhurandhar 2,
Which is
yes.
March.
Which
Yeah.
is March. I think already the hype, as we're recording this, the hype for Dhurandhar
Bhai,
is
I think,
skyrocketing, if
it's
not
at
more.
500 CR right now.
Already. We are recording on 16th of
और
December.
अभी 11 ही दिन हुए हैं उस फिल्म को.
Correct. I think it'll easily go towards the 700, 800 crore mark.
Easily, भाई. We don't have a big release till like fucking Border 2 only at
Well,
this point.
Yeah, correct. So,
अभी 21 आने वाली है, which is not like a fucking मतलब
Big budget.
it's
That will be a more, I am assuming, more nuanced army film as compared
Yeah.
to Border.
which I am looking forward to the film. I would want to go and watch the film, but again, it's not that star power.
Yeah, it's gonna be
puller
the- yeah,
film.
that's
Yeah,
true.
and the next one is Tu Meri Main Tera Tu Meri, Kartik Aaryan and Ananya Pandey. I don't think Dhurandhar is gonna take a hit.
dude, yeah.
because
I'm
of these
I'm
two
looking
films.
forward to what Ranveer does, especially in Dhurandhar 2. I'm very much looking forward to it.
So
I
I
think I'm very excited.
abhi scroll. So the entire internet is in a frenzy na with Dhurandhar. So abhi I think
Bro,
I've seen
it's gone crazy. The news channels, every debate is about Dhurandhar, the messaging, Dhurandhar,
Oh,
this.
bhai,
It's gone
crazy ho
crazy,
gaya,
dude.
crazy ho gaya hai.
It is insane. You have nothing else to talk about. Are you
bro,
insane?
that guy, the 150 रुपया देगा, Manoj Joshi.
Yeah.
Bro, I think I saw one clip of his where he's like कि इस फिल्म ने हिंदुस्तान में जितने पाकिस्तानी हैं उनको एक्सपोज कर दिया है और ये कर दिया, वो
Wait,
कर दिया है.
हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान का सुन के इसके फोन गिरा दिया.
So like all these fucking like I don't know why but like everybody मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि लोगों की ओपिनियंस के ऊपर मतलब आपकी ओपिनियन हमारी ओपिनियन हमारी ओपिनियन मतलब ऐसे ऐसा भी तो कर सकते हैं ना.
हाँ, correct.
But
yeah, dude, I don't understand.
But
See,
that-
so if people if you have a problem with the politics of the film, or if you like the politics of the film, okay, if you have a problem with the politics, why are you going on news channels and talking about the politics? It's just giving the politics more this
उसको
thing.
और कुछ करने को है.
Exactly, dude. That's the problem that I've
but
always said.
also people are getting like invites like solely because of this. No, Like that's
That's fair
two
also,
minutes of fame right
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Even if you're supporting it or if you're against it, it's
Against it,
it's their fame right
Yeah.
there.
Dude, I
हम
always
लोग को
say-
कितना फेम मिला
Yeah.
देख 18,000 व्यूज मिले हम लोग को।
भाई
Hey.
500 कमेंट से ऊपर है भाई
500
सोचो
comment.
Bye, that's true. So I always say that this is the problem that we have because of the 24/7 news cycle, right?
Yeah.
News channels have to fill 24/7 fucking content. So they talk about anything and everything else. 2 घंटे का हम धुरंधर के बात कर सकते हैं. Easy topic, let's
हाँ
go.
easy topic.
That's why it's fucking all
Eyeballs.
lowbrow content, dude, for news channels. Horrible.
But हाँ so anyway जो मैं कह रहा था कि मैं अभी Instagram पे देख रहा था they've actually like someone from the the 30-second teaser of sorts that they showed of Dhurandhar 2
में, हाँ।
Yeah.
हाँ उसमें I think they've like someone has captured a frame where जहाँ पे ये गाना नहीं है अक्षय खन्ना का उसी टनल से निकलते हुए
Boosh.
हाँ उसी टनल से निकलते हुए रणवीर सिंह भी है एंड दे आर लाइक कि नाउ ही इज द शेर बलोच एंड ही इज लाइक टेकन ओवर ऐसा तो अब उसका आर्क वो लोग उस तरीके से दिखाएंगे
Okay.
एंड he's probably gonna be like a different shade of शेर बलोच
Bro, वो तो दिखाई है ना, वो तो he's sitting on
doesn't
sitting on
his-
that chair.
Yeah.
That
Doesn't
Akshay Khanna
his
sitting on.
cover get blown in by the end of the first movie?
No.
No.
Where? What? What movie did you watch?
I don't know, man.
तो
No,
अभी
but no,
आपके
yeah.
ओपिनियंस इतने फकौल है
But no, correct.
I mean, when he tries to kill Akshay Khanna.
तो he kills everybody in the car no
True.
Firstly that,
so he
and he
partners with
acts,
Sanjay Dutt
Correct.
and he makes sure that Akshay Khanna is alive by the time he reaches the hospital, so
Sanjay
that they
Dutt-
think they see
Sanjay
him.
Dutt and Rakesh Bedi don't know yet that he's
so
a...
Sanjay
No.
Dutt and Rakesh Bedi think कि he wants to do it because he wants the throne
Got it.
ठीक है
Okay.
so now all three of them are together but Ranveer Singh's character Hamza made sure that Akshay Khanna's character was alive जब तक वो हॉस्पिटल नहीं गया एंड जब तक वो ऑटो में भी होता है तो वो पीछे बोलता नहीं रहता बार बार कि
हाँ,
आप
हाँ, नहीं, ठीक हो जाएगा, ठीक हो जाएगा।
आप अगर आप बैकग्राउंड में देखो जब वो न्यूज आ जाती है कि ही इज डेड तो व्हेन रणवीर सिंह इज वॉकिंग आउट द गाय द ऑटो ड्राइवर ही इज गिविंग एन इंटरव्यू
Interview
कि
कि
हमजा ने
हमजा
बहुत
भाई
कोशिश
ने
करी
बहुत-
हमजा
हमजा
भाई
मियां
ने
ने
किया
जो
वो
हाँ।
किया so now the image is that Hamza really tried to save him
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
so
So that's why like he was
far
loyal
from
to a
good.
T, and all the people who supported Rahman Daket's character will end up supporting
Ranveer's
character
But
because
Arjun Nampal has an inkling, I think, that something
no
is shady, no?
no none of them
no, we've not gotten that nod yet. Yeah, we
None of
haven't.
them.
No. Yeah.
K.
so Dhurandhar 2 I think is going to be even more a rager
हाँ,
than
जब तक तो ये पहली बारी नेटफ्लिक्स पे भी आ जाएगी तो
और लोगों ने देखी भाई देखो ना आपके पास लाइक परफेक्ट विंडोज है ना अभी देखो 1 महीने के लिए धुरंधर चलेगा फिर जैन एंड में बॉर्डर 2 आ रही है बॉर्डर 2 का फ्रेंजी आई एम श्योर जाएगा फॉर 2 to 3 वीक्स तो इजीली जाएगा एंड दैट इज व्हेन द
तो नहीं
Is that- yeah.
ब्रो 3 वीक्स
One
जाएगा
Dude, it's very possible. See, Border as a movie is because it invokes certain kind of nostalgia. It's very possible the movie is average, right?
Yeah.
So
हो
it's
सकता
possible
है।
कि पहले हफ्ते चले and second week then dwindling थोड़ा हो जाए. It won't be like Dhurandhar. I don't think. I don't think. I could be wrong.
नॉट एट ऑल लाइक धुरंधर मैं
Yeah.
वो नहीं कह रहा कि धुरंधर जितना फ्रेंजी
धुरंधर तो pick up होते जा रहा है भाई।
पिकअप ही होते जा रहा है बट
भाई।
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि बॉर्डर
कमाल चल रहा है।
2 विल स्टिल एक तो क्योंकि लॉन्ग वीकेंड पे आ रहा है 2 हफ्ते भी अगर चलता है तो उसके 2 हफ्ते बाद लाइक मिड फेब से धुरंधर 2 के टीजर्स ट्रेलर्स आने स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे सो इट्स लाइक अ कांस्टेंट हाई ऑफ पेट्रियोटिक फिल्म्स दैट वी आर गोना बी watching so and I think
But there are
Dhurandhar
two
2
films in Feb which I'm excited about. One is this one, Tu Ya Main, Bijoy Nambiar की जिसमें आदर्श गौरव और शरण्या कपूर है। शनाया
Oh,
Kapoor.
this is the creature comedy.
The creature.
Creature horror. Whatever.
feature.
Creature feature. Whatever you call it.
the
That-
alligator
Yeah. I
And
like
O
this.
Romeo by Vishal Bhardwaj.
yay Shahid
Oh,
fucking
what,
Kapoor
Romeo
is
Juliet?
back with
So
Vishal
that's what it's
Bhardwaj.
not clear whether it's another Shakespeare adaptation.
But he hasn't done a Romeo Juliet yet, right?
No, he hasn't done Romeo Juliet. But I don't think this is a straight up Romeo Juliet.
I hope not.
but
We've done enough.
I think
Seen
it revolves
Ramlila.
around Mumbai gangs and all
Probably, yeah.
Oh.
क्योंकि अगर होता तो वो लोग play up करते another Shakespeare adaptation by Vishal Bhardwaj.
and
but
it
they haven't.
bro and Shahid Kapoor Vishal Bhardwaj coming back together
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay,
So, yeah,
okay, I didn't know
those
this.
two I-
and Shahid
Yeah.
Kapoor badly needs like a clean hit right now
Yeah, fair.
लास्ट उसने करी थी ये देवा which was उस काफी एंटिसिपेशन थी उस फिल्म से बट वो हुई
बिल्कुल
नहीं
नहीं चली, हाँ.
चली नहीं वो
The last
And-
good thing, amazing thing he did was Farzi, of course.
फर्जी
Yeah,
yes,
actually.
फर्जी 2 भी तो
फर्जी
आ
2
रहा
कब आ
है
रहा है?
फर्जी 2 आ रहा है आई थिंक फर्जी 2 आ रहा है
26 में आ रहा है?
26 में नहीं आ रहा शायद बट आ रहा
26
है
में नहीं आ रहा? एक और साल रुकना पड़ेगा. I love Farzi 1, dude. I've been looking
bro
forward to
yeah
season 2
yeah
for so
फर्जी
long.
1 was very good
Guys, Rajan DK, come on, yeah. come on the show first.
Rajendra can anyway face some flack for Family Man 3, no?
Oh, because they didn't.
As well
It wasn't as well received.
Oh,
But they had so much
देखा
time.
क्या Family Man 3? मैंने भी नहीं देखा.
They had so
a
much
lot of
time.
people had written in to us that why aren't you reviewing Family Man 3?
Bro, one suggestion that I've been getting is जैसे अभी हमने रणबीर किया था, like do Javed Akhtar versus Gulzar, and I'm like, भाई, see, again, respect the suggestion, but who are we
Yeah, who are we? dude?
to
Talk
See,
about
क्या
two
है ना,
goats.
अब देखो मैं आपको बताता हूँ, बड़ी सीधी सी बात है कि जब रणबीर की बात होती है तो हम एज ऑडियंस कौन सी फिल्म पसंद आ रही है, कौन सी नहीं आ रही है, हम उस पर बात कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, correct.
जावेद अख्तर और गुलजार साहब का मतलब वो लेवल हमसे बहुत ऊपर है. कोई भी गाना हम मतलब
क्या how was the episode? मेरा कुछ सामान banger.
banger. Bro, that's just gonna be that. So yeah, I think like as it's just like yeah,
Dude,
they're gonna be
Did you watch
the
the
best.
recent episode of Kapil Sharma where Sunil Grover
Dressed up as
dressed as Gulzar?
Bro, he
Hilarious,
does a
dude.
great
So good, so well done.
impression of Gulzar.
Damn well done, dude.
Yeah.
He's too good, dude. How does he
too
get his
good.
impressions?
He's too
man?
good, dude. He's
He
too
nails
good.
these.
His Salman impression is spot
Spot
on.
on.
Bro, spot
Bro,
on.
Karwal.
Oh, crazy है वो, crazy. I don't like this shit, man. I don't like this shit. बहुत सही है वो, बहुत सही है. But anyway, yeah. O Romeo, even I'm very excited about.
Yeah.
O Romeo because Vishal Bhardwaj and Shahid Kapoor.
Dude, so what do we know what Battle of Galwan is going to be about?
So Battle of Galwan, as the film का title says, it's about the Battle of Galwan, the battle that happened in 2020. Galwan Valley में हुआ था. और
Oh, this is one of the Chinese soldiers or
The
Chinese
Chinese
soldiers.
soldiers.
Oh, I
Yes,
know this one.
yes.
So this is the
That
valley where I think long range weapons are not allowed. So they had to fight with hands. Was that it?
Oh, हो सकता है ये इतना
Maybe I'm getting this wrong.
because
This happened recently.
I was reading somewhere कि सलमान की बहुत सारी hand to hand combat training हो रही है.
I think
So
that's
it
it.
might as well be.
I think that's the story.
हो सकता है
This,
वो
this is
वाला.
crazy. This
What
was
the
insane.
last, like
Yeah, yeah.
patriotic movie that Salman did? It was that one, na? Where
Sultan.
no, not Sultan.
Tiger 3.
नहीं actually yeah.
Actually, yeah, correct.
नहीं वो कौन सी थी जिसमें he played multiple
भारत.
I think.
Oh yeah, भारत. But that's उसके बाद टाइगर 3 भारत के बाद आई है भाई.
Do you consider Tiger films as patriotic movies?
Isn't
Sure.
like
yeah.
Tiger 3
They are trying to get India Pakistan
Bro,
together. That
Tiger
kind of
3
thing.
में they are trying to
So
get
then
India
that's not
Pakistan.
patriotic. Only Dhurandhar is patriotic, okay?
Malab, see, if nobody wants their soldiers fighting and dying for the country, that's
You're
a good thing.
anti-national, Antrik. Shut up, okay?
That's a good thing. Man. Why is that a bad thing?
अब अगर वॉर
We should
करने
watch.
निकले हैं तो उड़ा ही देते हैं ना दे.
Oh, talking about war, anything from the spy universe coming? Oh,
Alpha, bro.
Alpha's coming. Alpha's
Alpha.
coming. Yeah, yeah.
Bro, Reddit is buzzing with YRF and Alpha news and all
Oh,
of
but
that.
like-
What is the news?
Positively or negatively?
Negatively.
Oh, I've seen this.
Because
So Alpha was supposed to come out 2025, but it didn't. It was supposed to come out
I think
December
December 2025. So they are saying that after Dhurandhar,
people have moved on from the spy universe.
Spy
They
universe.
want,
Yeah,
yeah.
and then they are like, कि,
Jealous.
The YRF clan is fucking doing
Jealous of
negative campaigns against Dhurandhar, and then they are like,
Dude, is that true? You think that's possible?
Yeah,
Why? That's
I
very
don't
serious,
think
such a
कि
bizarre
so-
thing to do.
So
for someone.
YRF is known to be like a no bullshit.
नहीं ब्रो बेसिक बॉटम लाइन ये है कि वायरएफ स्पाइनर्स की पिछली 2 पिक्चरें नहीं चली हैं
बिल्कुल नहीं
धुरंधर
चली
बहुत
है।
चल गई है
हाँ.
इट्स जस्ट दैट
हाँ, that
means
is
it's
fine.
just clearly audiences did not like this spy depiction of
Bro,
the
but
No,
YRF.
but then this angle about is YRF doing the bad PR?
Negative PR,
Yeah,
and also
that's
the
crazy
fact
to assume.
that,
I think.
YRF का
I don't know.
so YRF is known to not have like media shows, not
Yeah,
do paid
yeah.
things. So मुझे लगता है कि अगर वो चाहते तो
धुरंधर का
वो
भी
कोई
नहीं हुआ
चीज़-
था प्रेस शो बाय द वे
Bro, धुरंधर की तो बहुत problems आए थे, and hence the news
Also-
of all this negative PR.
Also that plus YRF and Ranveer Singh have great rapport.
Exactly. ये
Why
भी मेरा
would
second
why
point
would
यही था.
why would this happen?
And then the Reddit thing was like कि Alia and Kejo are doing like a.
That's
and I'm
also
like,
crazy.
कैसे?
Oh, dude, उनका नया घर गृह प्रवेश हुआ आलिया और रणबीर का on the day that Dhurandhar release or on the weekend that Dhurandhar release, and they were like, oh, look at Alia trying to steal the spotlight from Dhurandhar release. I'm like, what? Are you insane? She's not supposed to move into a new house, dude.
हाँ जो मुहूर्त निकला होगा वो निकला
Yeah,
dude.
that's
क्या करें
bizarre.
उसका?
What bizarre angles you will come up with?
इसलिए रेडिट पढ़ना छोड़ दो गाइस
Bro, Reddit से ज़्यादा
Dude, Reddit is the most fun social media that there is. bro.
because they're like है चुतिया है
Yeah,
चुतिया
I love social media.
है लोड़ू
But I have a feeling Alpha might actually be good because इस पे इतना attention नहीं है, as much attention as there was on War 2 and Tiger 3.
Oh, so you mean the underdog?
More toned down, yeah, more hand-to-hand combat.
I hope so.
But it's also like the debut of female spies in the universe.
इसमें Bobby था ना इसमें?
Bobby is the mentor,
the trainer,
the
handler
scene of War 2. So yeah, it might actually be decent watch.
Alia has 2 releases, Love and War and Alpha.
Yeah, Love and War is scheduled to be on 14th August.
Love and War, I'm really looking forward to.
Bro, yeah, same.
I think it'll be
like, again, but
very,
like
very
one thing that I like, so famously Ranbir and Alia's chemistry on screen hasn't been good.
I hope this does justice to that.
But with Bhansali coming in as the director,
dude, he doesn't miss on chemistry at all, dude.
At all, he doesn't miss on chemistry.
हम दिल दे चुके सनम, fucking
Savaria.
Ram Leela.
You think Savaria had good chemistry?
Savaria was supposed to be awkward.
Sonam and Ranbir.
Wasn't Savaria supposed to be awkward?
I don't know.
Like I think
awkwardness में भी romance था पर.
वो भाई मुझे तो Savaria like I don't have a lot of complaints with Savaria.
Okay, nonetheless, I'm saying Bhansali I think would do it justice. It is also very hyped. It seems like they're shooting on location a lot.
Yeah.
And
and the leaks that have happened, उस पे भी भाई Reddit was.
Oh, I've seen that shot of Ranbir smoking a cigarette.
Ranbir smoking cigarette, Ranbir drinking water. वो पूरा ऐसा मिट्टी में.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I think was he smoking a cigarette in the water?
No, he's drinking water.
Okay, I'm misremembering.
Ranbir तो है ही नहीं
Singh तो
उसमें.
है ही नहीं.
Okay.
कपूर है ना.
Vicky, Ranbir and Alia.
Okay.
Okay, Alia, sorry, Abbas is not looking forward to this at all.
No, I'm like August is so far away, man.
It is, that's true.
Like, मैं जिंदा रहूँ.
क्या पता क्या हो यार.
As I record मेरी पीठ में दर्द है. दिन तक मुझे लग रहा था मुझे food poisoning है.
4 घंटे तक हम 4 घंटे से रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं.
Isn't that meme about 2026? 2026 में तो दुनिया खत्म है.
हाँ.
That's 2026, right?
भाई मैं उस दिन मीम देख रहा था, उसमें लिखा था I hope चाचा सही हो.
Well.
Bro, तूने वो एक वो देखा क्लिप आजकल जा रहा है कि some journalist is asking one shopkeeper and a shopkeeper is saying मैं तो बस ये विश कर रहा हूँ कि यहाँ स्कूटर खड़ी हो, कोई बम लगा और बम फट जाए.
Border 3.
Bye. Also coming out is a movie whose announcement trailer we saw recently, Happy Patel. Veer Das, Amir
That's a
Khan.
movie I'm looking forward to.
Yeah.
That looks fun. That looks fun. Imran Khan come back.
That'll either be like a madcap fun movie or it'll be absolutely atrocious.
I agree.
There's no
Absolutely.
middle ground.
मुझे नहीं लग रहा है atrocious होगी. See,
Dude, the thing is, comedy can go either way.
Either way,
it can
yeah,
either
yeah.
be like slapstick, ridiculous, dumb comedy.
And also, it's Veer and Kavi Shastri, his longtime business partner. Kavi also used to do stand-up. They directed it together. So
it's Veer Das's
directorial debut. Veer Das and Kavi Shastri.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. It might go either way.
Bro, but Veer Das is a marketing genius. Huh? So I'm sure
Amir
he's
is
going to
also.
pull people to the theaters. Have you seen how he's been marketing his own book?
Yeah.
Bro,
No, I haven't seen
crazy.
it.
He's-
The
how-
Outsider.
The Outsider. He's been doing crazy marketing and very simple marketing. Huh?
क्या- like
so
what?
what he does is, so अभी जैसे for example what he'll do is कि Outsider का एक sign करेगा and जहाँ भी होगा वहाँ के पार्क के बेंच के नीचे रखाएगा, उसका फोटो खींचेगा कि भाई मैंने इस लोकेशन पे ये रख दिया, इफ यू फाइंड इट जस्ट क्लिक अ पिक्चर एंड सेंड इट टू मी, एंड हुएवर इज लाइक जो उसकी फॉलोइंग लिस्ट में क्लोजेस्ट है, ही वुड गो देयर, टेक दैट बुक आउट, क्लिक अ पिक्चर एंड ही वुड शेयर इट. सो ये एक तरीके से प्राइज्ड पोजेशन बना देता है किताब को. कोई भी फ्लाइट
Like a treasure hunt in a way.
या ट्रेजर हंट बन गया. कोई भी फ्लाइट जैसे वो लेता है एयरपोर्ट पे, एयरपोर्ट के हर एयरपोर्ट पे एक बुक स्टोर होता है.
शॉप पे जाके ऑटोग्राफ करना, बट इट्स अ वेरी ऑथर, मोस्ट ऑथर्स डू.
इट्स फाइन, बट देन टू व्लॉग इट इन अ वे कि मैंने यहाँ कर दिया है, ये इस कॉपी के इतनी वाली कॉपी जो है वो साइंड है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा.
But can you just do that? Can you walk into a bookstore and sign your own book?
The bookshop owner has to be informed about it.
Yeah, you can't be like, hey,
sure.
fucker, you can't just come random guy. You have no idea. Nobody knows what authors look like.
Like if Veer Das is walking into a store, why
I
would the
know.
bookstore, like bookshop owner be like कि हाँ नहीं ये तू अपनी
There
कॉपी
is a
साइन नहीं कर
chance the
सकता.
bookshop owner might not know who Veer
Hey,
Das
don't
is, bro.
vandalize my books. You don't know, dude.
But नहीं, I
But
feel-
yeah,
I
I'm
feel-
excited for
yeah.
it. Looks good.
Yeah,
Imran
looks good.
Khan's return to the big screen.
Yes, एक छोटा 3.25 सेकंड का लुक डाला है इमरान
Yeah,
खान
yeah,
का विग में.
पौने 3
Do you
सेकंड
think it's a backdoor sequel to Daily Belly, but they're not just saying it yet?
I don't think so.
Sequel
Or maybe set in the same universe or something.
I mean, maybe if they want to extend that, they can.
Like
but
they're gonna have meta jokes about Delhi Valley
Probably,
for
yeah.
sure, that's why Imran is also
Yeah,
part
for
of it, right?
sure.
For sure.
Yeah.
Another one coming out is, dude, we have from the horror universe.
MHCU.
Yeah, the MHCU.
Aneet Padda.
Shaktisal and Bhedia 2.
शक्तिशाल नहीं
And Bhedia 2.
Bro, एक साल दूर.
Bhedia 2 also.
उसको अगस्त के बारे में बात नहीं करना. You're like December, bro. That's Bhedia 2 तो I think
I thought
2027.
Bhedia 2 is also coming this year, but apparently it's not.
But अनीत पड्डा की जगह पहले कियारा आडवाणी थी.
अच्छा.
Okay. Yeah, we talked
Aneet
about
has
that.
replaced Kiara Advani, and what do you think about it? What do you think about the replacement? What do you like?
Good
Man,
replacement.
the thing is, Aneet Padda is one movie old. I
Yeah.
hope
Yeah, but she was really
she's-
good in that.
she
movie.
was nice. Yeah. So I hope she does a good job, and I hope her career takes her to
Because
new heights.
if this movie works, it's gonna cement her. And
What
how?
if this movie fails? What do you think happens to the horror universe then? Because Thama was whatever.
So horror universe is not going anywhere because they've already announced all these
I
films.
know.
They've already.
But do you think it impacts the Avengers style team up that they're going to do?
वो तब तक तो होना ही
So
है.
I'll
वो तो
tell
होना
you,
ही है. तो वो तो कर ही लेंगे वो लोग.
Once Stree 3 comes.
Stree 3 will come before the Mahayuddha.
After before the Mahayuddha, obviously. So Mahayuddha is the Avengers culmination.
Yeah,
No?
which is what, 27?
27 or 28, I feel.
Acha, okay.
So Stacey will come after that.
Why will Stree 3 come after that? Stree.
Dude, because
Let's
I
call
think,
it
I think, dude, because I think before that they have all their lineup already planned. No, Stree 3 कहाँ है उनकी lineup?
Stree
Announce
है.
कर चुके हैं वो लोग,
Stree 3
yeah.
है lineup में.
हाँ,
Okay,
Stree
फिर
3
तो
है
ठीक है.
lineup में.
Okay, फिर तो ठीक है. फिर-
Stree 3.
3.
तुम लोग बात करो जब तक मैं चेक करता
हाँ,
हूँ.
so I think Stree, I think जो भी like whatever the fate of these films is, Stree 3 is a blank slate film.
वो blank slate film
मतलब as in वो horror universe का
reset पर.
रीसेट बटन है एक तरीके से. अगर उससे पिछले आने वाली सारी फिल्म्स खराब हुई, स्त्री 3 अगर अच्छी चल जाती है, विच इज हाईली लाइकली, तो वो सब रीराइट हो जाएगा.
So
Okay, fair, I
Stree 3 is in 2028 and पहला महायुद्ध is 2029, दूसरा महायुद्ध is 2030.
Oh damn. So
अबे
far.
भाई सोच के थकान.
There is something called Choti Stree which is coming out in 2028.
है?
Yes.
What the fuck, bro? What is Choti
It's an animated prequel to Stree.
Oh.
Okay. Film will be
Oh,
based on
like छोटा
Shraddha
भीम की तरह
Kapoor's
से छोटा स्त्री बना रहे हैं.
Shraddha Kapoor's character from Stree and will reportedly be released 6 months before the release of Stree 3.
Oh, yeah.
That's nice. That's a good touch actually.
Dude, it's very possible that one falls through though and doesn't happen. The animated one, like
Probably,
छोटी
or
सी-
it might just go to Netflix or something.
yeah, some shit like that.
जैसे उन्होंने बाहुबली का किया है अभी, एनिमेटेड जो निकाल रहे हैं.
But since we're talking about horror comedies, another horror comedy expected next year is Bhoot Bangla. Akshay Kumar,
Akshay
Priya
Kumar.
Darshan.
Darshan's return to
With-
comedy.
With the OG cast.
Yes, Paresh Rawal, Taboo, Akshay Kumar, and Asrani also.
Asrani also.
Asrani, yes, Asrani. Das.
And
Pata nahi
Priyadarshan.
yaar, I hope it's good. I hope it
I
doesn't
really
feel like
hope it's good. I
it doesn't
really,
feel
really
like
hope it's good.
them trying to
Too
hard to capture the old magic, but
यार
failing.
but the thing is कि पता है old magic मुझे लगता है कि the like one more reason why old magic for us is because we grew up watching it then only.
Yeah, correct.
वो वाला humor
Basically,
अगर
we
आज
are we are old.
हाँ,
तो हम बोलेंगे क्या है
क्या
ये?
चल रहा है
Old
आज
magic
आज अगर मैं फिर देखूं तो शायद मुझे उतनी फनी ना लगे फर्स्ट टाइम अगर मैं देखूं
Correct, yeah.
बट बिकॉज इट्स नॉस्टैल्जिक आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई इट्स फनी सो इफ दे ट्राई टू
Yeah.
बिकॉज प्रियदर्शन fell or to his face when it comes to Hangama 2.
Yeah, true. But then it
Hangama
also came out during the pandemic.
But yeah, but then it was a bad film.
Yeah.
Doesn't fucking change the fact that it was a bad film.
The thing is, famously before that in interviews, right? Whenever Priyadarshan is asked about, sir, आप sequels नहीं बनाते, आप remakes नहीं, you know, आप remakes को भी अपना flavor देते हो, you change them up. They're not never exactly the same. At least that's what the question was. And he's like, I hate sequels. I hate like franchises. That's why I wasn't involved with Hera Fairy 2.
Yeah, I think
That's what he says.
Hangama 2 is the only sequel he's directed.
If
Otherwise,
I'm not wrong,
Yeah.
yeah.
most of
So
the others he's-
yeah, I think you know, sometimes you just want to do shit for monetary reasons and not
But
for
Bhoot Bangla almost seems like they're trying to say Bhool Bhulaiya but not
Bhool Bhulaiya but not Bhool Bhulaiya, yeah.
Correct.
Also, Hera Fairy 3 के time पे he was very vocal about the fact that he doesn't give a shit
Yeah,
about
yeah.
a sequel. He's like, I am
Yeah.
doing it for Akshay. I'm not like, fuck it, I don't need to do it. I'm happy playing with my grandchildren and all that.
yeah, that's true. You're right.
Plus, his daughter is doing great work.
That's the
Kalyani Priyadarshan,
Loka
correct.
lead,
Loka
yeah.
Kal-
So he can literally just sit
Yeah.
back and chill.
guys, also coming out next year is Ramayana, the Ranbir Kapoor starrer.
Do you think Ramayana
Sai
is the
Pallavi.
most anticipated film of 2026?
Probably. And I like whatever they've released so far.
Man, right now
Like
I
the
would say
छोड़ा सा भी तो
fair.
Like they've
but
not
right now-
revealed anything.
I know, but still, bro, as a teaser or whatever, it looks epic. It feels epic rather.
They're calling it like a 4,000 CR budget film.
Sure.
What? That's impossible, dude. How will they ever make that back?
I think one of the statements is ki if I'm not able to convince the world with this film, then I think I've failed. Something along these lines he said this.
But in all fairness, I think the most anticipated film right now, because it's December and we just saw the first part of it, is Dhurandhar 2. The most anticipated wise. But yes, Ramayan could be a close second.
Close second. Okay.
Because of recency
Yeah,
bias.
fair.
And
And
Rahman,
how-
Hans Zimmer.
Ranbir
Yes.
Kapoor as Ram, bro.
Epic. Yeah, it's
I
great
have a
cast.
question. So usually when movies are made at such a massive
High
budget,
scale, yeah.
right? To make money back, you do things like merchandising, right?
Yeah.
आप
For sure.
कॉलर ट्यून बना रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, Domino's के साथ tie up कर रहे हो. Bro, with a movie like Ramayana, that those options are so limited. Because you're literally dealing with
Bro,
gods.
but then with Ramayan, you don't need to do these things. Ramayan in itself is such a big selling
अगर तू कह
point.
रहा 4,000 करोड़ कितने टिकट बेच दोगे
Yeah,
यार?
there are
Dude, it's the biggest ensemble
but they're
cast
also
ever.
that, and they're also aiming for the international markets. This one, right? It's not just India.
Like,
Fair,
dude,
yeah.
like imagine Yash as Ravan, Ranbir Kapoor as Shri Ram, Sai Pallavi as Sita Ma, Sunny Deol as Hanumanji. Dude, that's a cast and how. Like, you've captured the entirety of South with Yash.
Is the Rajmouli film also releasing this year? The new one? जिसका
Varanasi.
हाँ.
I think.
Bro, if that is releasing this
I
year,
think-
then there's a tough fight between that and Ramayana.
I think it is releasing next year.
Oh, dude, then.
Because they've
Then
come out
it's
with
a big-
teasers and all for it. But again,
Yeah.
Rajamouli can take like as long as he wants to make a film.
And then still
And
be
still-
relevant
and
with
still
that.
be awesome. Yeah, yeah.
With the
And
hype.
Correct.
Hollywood
Uska
is
kuch
also
bhi.
looking forward to the next Rajmouli
Exactly.
film.
For
Yeah.
sure, dude. They are dying for the next.
Why?
Because
Because
RRR was
RRR
so
was such
big
a
there.
phenomena, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, fair. Huh?
Yeah.
Fair.
Went for the Oscars, literally, dude.
But Ramayana is supposed to be like 2 parts.
Yeah.
The first part is expected to end at them reaching Lanka.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so the second part will be entirely the battle
Just
of
the
them.
Yeah.
battle of
So
Crazy,
from what I've heard is
That's
Yash only has 15 minutes of screen time. He was also one
the
of the
first one.
producers, by the way. Yash. Yash has only 15 minutes of screen time. So Ravan का उतना part नहीं है जितना राम जी की story होगी.
He'll be
सारी.
there in the abduction part.
Yeah, probably.
then-
You
And-
can do, bro.
yeah.
The first Star Wars film just had 15 minutes of Darth Vader.
Yeah,
and
that's
yet
right.
he was the most iconic,
That's- yeah,
one
that's
of the most
totally
iconic villains.
So
of all
I think second part is entirely like the battle. The first part is
Dude, I really would love to see how they show the scale of Kumbhakaran, dude. If they do it well, that would
bro.
be awesome.
Also, they are developing a spin-off with Sunny Deol for Hanumanji.
Hanumanji. Okay.
spin-off for like another movie or like a
Yeah,
TV
yeah.
series?
Entire movie.
Okay. If it works, then it works. Then if you're
Sunny
sold on the
Deol is
universe,
getting too
then
much work in his 60s, bro. 60s, 70s.
I mean, yeah, dude.
Like Rajnikant is doing movie after movie after movie.
True. But that's Rajnikant.
And he's Sunny Paji. ठीक है.
Don't compare.
I'm not
Hey.
You'll get
comparing.
murdered
I'm
in the
not
comments.
I'm not
Also, you're
comparing.
saying this now after Gadar 2 and Border 2.
Obviously.
Before this, it wouldn't be like, oh, buddy, Sunny Paji.
Bro, यार obviously अगर उनकी पिक्चर चलेगी then only the hype will be there.
तो वही तो ना, वही तो
Like
है।
if he's not working then he's not working.
But रजनीकांत तो फिर भी चलेगा ना भाई, वही तो.
यार रजनीकांत और सनी देओल को कंपेयर नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं एज फैक्टर की बात कर रहा था.
Okay,
That if someone can get work, मतलब again he's obviously Rajni, but like 70s, 60s
Get
it's fine. Command work.
Yeah, create work more like.
Create work. Yeah.
A movie that I just found out for the purposes of this episode that is coming out is Avara Pantu.
Oh, yeah.
Imran Hashmi. Avarappan famously a very underrated movie.
Yes.
Fantastic
जो कि
songs.
अब बहुत ज्यादा
हाँ, because Toxic Paglu का
Yes,
you know
yes.
time चल रहा
No,
है.
that back then when it came out, it was obviously known for its music.
Yeah.
So I'm just checking who's doing the music for Avarappan 2.
So अभी recently I think इमरान हाशमी के जब गाने बहुत ही वायरल होने लग गए थे
Because of Bads.
उससे भी पहले so
Okay,
जब
sure.
एक one of the interviews one of the interviewers asked him कि भाई आपके गाने लाइक आजकल गानों में क्या क्या हो रहा है क्या क्या नहीं हो रहा है डांस वांस आप तो सिर्फ चलते थे और गाना आइकॉनिक हो जाता था और लाइक यू नो व्हाट लाइक यू हैड द गोल्डन एज ऑफ सॉन्ग्स पीपल से कि एक गाने होते थे राजेश खन्ना साहब के और दूसरे गाने होते हैं इमरान हाशमी के लाइक आपको लोग इस लेवल पे रखते हैं तो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू लाइक से तो इज लाइक कि मैं जब आवारापन 2 के साथ आऊँगा तो आपको वापस से वही गोल्डन एज के गाने ला के दूंगा
Okay,
so he's already made that
वो तो बोल
bold
रहा
of
है
a
क्या
claim.
बोले वो तो बोलेगा ना अपने
actor is
करने के लिए.
selling his movie. What are you saying?
Yeah, bro.
मतलब you were checking the musician
Yeah,
तो
but
मैं
they haven't,
वो म्यूजिक के बारे में
announced
बात
the
कर रहा
music.
था
The music like
Okay,
that.
fair.
I think it'll be Pritham only mostly.
Good, well, yeah, he's still very relevant and still doing good work. I
And
would say.
did good stuff on Metro.
Metro
Yeah, I agree. Then some other sequels coming out next year. Drishyam 3, Dhamal 4.
bro I genuinely thought Drishyam is done with when it comes to like as a franchise with the second part
It was a banging, awesome second
awesome
part.
second part awesome
That
second
book
movie did
reveal is
well.
too good, dude. What a moment. Oh, gives me chills, dude.
crazy था वो बहुत ही
Dude,
crazy
how
था
they
वो.
showed that part in the second part. Like throughout the movie, they've had that this thing
Yeah,
through line.
Don't talk about it. I haven't seen it.
What are you saying, dude? Please watch
Bro,
it.
it's okay.
No, this is a dude. I would say if
I'll watch the Malayalam
There is
ones
one-
first, then I'll watch the Hindi ones.
do what you want. I'm just saying it's good. It's a good watch. Very
But
good
the
watch.
third one apparently is being shot simultaneously in Malayalam
yes
and Hindi.
yes
Is
yes.
it?
Yeah.
and they're
Okay.
planning to release it also together no
Together.
so that there is no spoiler so and I think the franchise is now big enough
Yeah.
for like both the languages to release
Yeah, yeah.
and still get their numbers
That's it. That's 2026.
Yeah,
Anything
that's
else?
about it. Dhamal 4 तो क्या है
धमाल
धमाल अच्छी नहीं रहने
धमाल
वाली है.
एक्चुअली सिर्फ पहली वाली ही अच्छी थी धमाल 2
Correct, तो अच्छी तो नहीं होने वाली
There
है.
were two more Dhamals.
yeah धमाल 1 was like the OG
Well,
धमाल
that's the one that's
ठीक
the
है,
one
I know
there was
Dhamal
this-
2 exists, but I never watched it.
double धमाल was the second one
Alright.
then there was this
ये
total
भी वो करेंगे
धमाल
पहले था धमाल फिर था
डबल
डबल धमाल
फिर हुआ
होगा
टोटल
धमाल
धमाल
four.
और अब होगा धमाल 4
Horrible.
oh bro Golmaal 5 is also in the works
Yeah.
bro Ajay Devgan is
पहले
doing
था गोलमाल.
Ajay Devgan is doing a lot of sequels dude
yeah.
a lot of
Yeah, yeah.
sequels
अभी शैतान 2 भी तो है.
शैतान 2 भी है yes you're
अभी
right
next year है.
I don't know
But I know
don't
it's announced.
bro.
I know it's been
हाँ,
announced.
शैतान 2 announced
Because
है।
उसका गुजराती वाला तो ऑलरेडी
वश।
बन गया है. वश
देख लिया
तो वश 2.
मैंने सेकंड वाला पार्ट देख लिया मैंने
Good.
it's
फटी नहीं मैं बहुत फट्टू फिल्म मतलब बहुत
बस
डरावनी
फट्टू
फिल्म
फिल्म.
नहीं
Fadu.
बिल्कुल नहीं।
You must have watched
Actually-
Fadu film. Fadu.
Actually, the first one was more
scary?
Scary, yeah. Second one is
okay.
not that scary. In fact, the criticism that it's gotten is that it's not as gripping as the first one.
Alright. I think that's about all that we have announced. So
Yeah.
that should we
मतलब
bother
जो हमारे
talking
पास
about
अभी
it.
तक है information
Yeah.
major जो
officially जो
Dude, ऐसे तो बहुत
announced
सारी
है.
चीजें must be announced and we're
आती
missing out on
रहेंगी
some,
वो
but
तो,
कितने ही,
हाँ,
you know,
मतलब-
we have nothing to go on, dude. You know, all those.
But like out of the list that you have, what are your top 3 most anticipated films of 2026?
fucking, dude, Dhurandhar 2 for sure.
Like that's your number one.
Yeah, number 1, Dhurandhar 2, Love and War, and King. And
Oh,
Happy
fuck,
Patel.
bro, we didn't talk about King.
What's there to talk about? Everyone's hyped.
Back.
Shah Rukh Khan's coming. It's hyped. Siddharth Anand, the trailer looked good enough to me. Interesting.
I was
Well, it's an action movie, yes.
Like,
But
I again
that
didn't
the
like
music
the-
and all I liked. It's nice.
फिर से
Yeah,
वही
वो तो
जवान
हाँ, वो तो
पठान
पक्का
जैसा.
है.
I
गले
think
में
its
खिच-खिच.
music will be a banger, but I don't know, bro.
Like K for King, SRK.
Dude, yeah, I think it's.
हम लोग सब
fine.
जाएंगे हिट हो जाएगी वही है शाहरुख लोग फिर बोलेंगे शाहरुख खान इज द
सब डांस करेंगे स्क्रीन पे वापस ऐसा पठान जैसा चल जाएगा so that brings us to the end of this episode. It's
अरे
a
मेरे
short
को ये
one.
तो बताओ what are your top 3?
बोल तो दिया मैंने. Oh, you guys want to know about yours also? I would say.
मैं
as I
सच्ची
said,
बोलूं मैं आई हैव लॉस्ट होप विद बॉलीवुड मैं एकदम भी एक्साइटेड नहीं हूँ हिंदी फिल्म्स को लेके माय मोस्ट फेवरेट फिल्म्स दिस ईयर आल्सो कमिंग आउट ऑफ इंडिया वर तमिल एंड मलयालम फिल्म्स एंड आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी द सेम नेक्स्ट ईयर आल्सो आई एम क्यूरियस अबाउट रामायण बिकॉज़
but
लाइक आई
इनमें
सेड
से अगर
व्हाटएवर
if you had to take 3 names, bro.
3
Just for the sake of this exercise, Abbas.
okay
Dhurandhar 2
Ramayana,
obviously.
Romeo, and Dhurandhar 2 I'm not excited about. Number 3 क्या होगा?
Love and War.
No, I'm not a big Bhansali fan.
Border 2.
No.
Bhediya 2.
What else do we have?
Shaktishalini.
Happy Patel. Happy Patel.
Happy Patel, I'm okay. Sure, Shaktishalini, yeah, why not?
Sure, Abbas, we believe you. Still.
No, I think fully excited about Love and War, Ramayan, and I think O Romeo. O Romeo would be that.
Oh, Romeo, I would like to add to my
Yeah,
list, but I only
Romeo
have
would
4.
be
Yeah,
that
but you
film.
know what? Vishal Bharadwaj's recent output has been a little mixed, so I don't know.
क्या था recently? क्या निकाला?
He did
कुत्ते?
Khufia tha.
Khufia was nice.
It was
not
nice.
bad,
That's what I'm
yeah.
saying. But Tabu and Vishal Bharadwaj again, I was expecting a lot.
Fair.
Kutte was his son.
Yeah, Kutte was.
that
Kutte
was
was
also very
not,
okay.
not,
No, it was not very good,
man.
yeah.
It
Yeah.
wasn't good only.
Then he did that film na with the two sisters, Pataka, I think it was called.
That I didn't
That
watch.
was also okay. So I have high hopes, but I'm a little skeptical. I hope
Alright,
it's
fair enough.
as good as.
Oh, Pataka is the one with
I think it's called Pataka.
the Radhika Madan one.
I think so, yeah.
Radhika Madan, is it Sanya Malhotra?
I think Asanya
Oh yes, yes, हाँ, सही कह रहे हो.
Yeah, I think that's the one. Yeah, that looked pretty good. I never watched it. It did get
It's a
good
good
reviews.
film again, but
Good reviews, yeah.
I was expecting a lot from Vishal Bharadwaj.
I think out of the list that we have, which film do you think will earn the most bucks?
Ramayan, dude. Ramayan, Dhurandhar 2, Border 2. All
I
these
won't
are
be surprised
set.
if Dhurandhar 2 earns more than
Bro,
Ramayana.
even I was thinking the same
Yeah,
because
fair.
like जैसे आदि पुरुष का scale था, that was also like 600-700 CR film, but it tanked and how
Yeah.
with a film like Ramayan or with like a concept like Ramayan that you like if you're trying to build a universe, it's very high risk also because the more you use CGI, it's again on the fence of it कि
Fair, I get that.
गिर भी सकता है नीचे.
Yeah, fair.
दोस्तों रात के 3 बज चुके हैं. हमें लगता है कि आज हमें
आज के
इस
लिए
साल
इतना
के
ही.
लिए और अगले साल के लिए हमें रैप अप कर देना चाहिए.
ठीक है, done.
Wishing you all a very happy new year again.
Once again, yes.
And a very Merry Christmas if this came out around Christmas.
लास्ट एपिसोड था ये.
Christmas हो
Okay.
गया. Christmas
again यार, अगले साल भी
awards
तो
में
आएगा.
चला गया
अब
Christmas.
इस
अगले
टाइम
साल
पे
भी तो
लोगों
आएगा.
को 2026 भी पुराना लगने लगा है.
वो तो गए 2 दिन यार. The year is already spoiled at this point.
Yeah, do let us know what you're looking forward to in 2026 the most.
Yes.
What are your most anticipated movies and or shows? What actor would you like to see do great stuff in 2026?
And your objective for 2026 is to take Filmy Kulada to 1 million subscribers. And,
Million bolis.
I mean,
and,
see, I'm not gonna say no
50,000
to that. I'm not gonna-
50,000
नहीं, नहीं, नहीं.
members. And
Yeah, do that.
episodes तो आते रहेंगे.
Bro, as we speak, one of my friends is watching Dhurandhar and she's constantly texting and she's like, ये फिल्म इतनी लंबी क्यों है? इसका interval क्यों नहीं खत्म हो रहा है?
She's not enjoying the movie 100% because she's texting you through it, dude. So she's not engrossed. So she's not having the full movie
तो
experience.
इसमें मूवी की गलती
Tell her to
है.
tell her to stop texting. Stop texting, bitch. No, don't call her bitch.
But ठीक है. Guys, please, if you haven't joined our membership yet, please do consider joining the membership. Please
Do
subscribe
remember-
to the channel
Like this video, hype this video, tell your friends about us.
and please share this channel with people जो आपको लगता है कि ऐसा content जो है वो enjoy करते होंगे.
Yeah.
The most comment that I get, the most appreciation message that I get is कि ऐसा लगता है हम दोस्तों के साथ बैठ के films discuss कर रहे हैं.
Dude, yes, to that point, people, so one of India's biggest podcasts and a podcast that I've worked for and I really love is the TIS podcast,
Yes.
okay? And we sometimes, our fans or our listeners compare us to TIS, which is such a compliment, firstly. And not even kidding, I
और
was...
membership 1/10 भी नहीं है.
But recently, I was just producing a weekend of shows of TIS Makasam, their live shows. And dude, so many people, at least 10 people
Wow, dude.
over the weekend came up to me and they're like, dude, I'm such a huge fan. Or I listen to everything you do, everything you guys do,
Nice.
Popcorn
So
Conversation,
sweet, yeah,
that
so
for me.
sweet.
Amazing, dude. It feels amazing and so thankful and appreciative
Yeah,
and grateful
dude. Yeah,
that...
like it's a personal win of sorts.
Yeah, man, so sweet. Too nice. That is too sweet. I can't say enough good
So
things about
please
you guys.
help us spread the word.
Yes.
we're going to be very grateful to you guys if
Yes.
you do that.
Yes.
And on to bigger and better
Absolutely.
heavens.
Hasta la vista, baby. See you next. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.